Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Realtek audio driver on Windows 11. So first we will download it from a laptop or PC manufacturer website, and then later we will install it. So first I'm going to open the Google search bar, and then I will go to the system information, and then I'm going to download the driver with respect to manufacturer and model number. So what I'm going to do is just use this. I will use download audio driver for Windows 11. Lenovo is the manufacturer name, and this one is the model number. So I'm just going to copy and paste it in the Google search bar. So open Google search bar and paste it over here. So my laptop is Lenovo notebook, Lenovo ThinkBook, and model number is this, and I'm going to just search it. Press enter, and after that, I'm going to go to this first link. Just open a new tab and look for this release date. This is old, so I'm not going to use this link, and I will just go to the second link. And after that, I will again look for the release date. It is latest because it is 2025. So I'm going to download this particular driver. So click download, and it will ask me the serial number. So in order to get the serial number, what you're going to do is you're going to execute this command in the command prompt. So open command prompt and run as admin. All you need to do is just copy and paste the command over here, and you will get the serial number. So I'm going to skip this step because I don't want to show the serial number, because this is a security breach. So I will skip this step. So I've provided the serial number, and now I am into this page. So now I'm going to click download. So the download process has been started. It will take some time to complete. So once it's downloaded, what you're going to do is you're going to click the exe file, and you will start the installation process. It will not take much time. It is not very hard. All you need to do is just provide the location where you want to install, and then click next, and it will be installed very easily. So I have already installed it in my system. So let me just go to the device manager, and let me show you the driver which I have installed. So I have followed the same process. So go to sound, audio, and game controller, and this is my driver. So after this, once you are done with the installation, all you need to do is just restart your computer, and after that everything will be okay. So I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.